Hey everybody, hope you all are doing very well. This is your friend Crypto Guru, and इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे one of the ongoing ICO Spectre.Ai, the world's first brokerless financing trading platform. Before we will start going into the details of this product, a quick disclaimer, guys. I'm not the financial advisor. The information that I'm sharing in this video is purely based on my personal own research. uh, do your own due diligence before taking your investment decisions, guys. And I strongly suggest you guys, after this video, if you find this particular ICO interesting, go to the website and go through the tons of information available on this website, which will surely help you in making an informed decision from your side. So if you go into the document section, you will find a list of the document which you can go through, which will give you the details of the product, their roadmap, what kind of financial benefit this particular product can bring it on the table, etc. Okay, let's talk about the token and proceed allocation. So as you see, spec D and spec U, two types of a token we're talking about. D token, spec D token is the dividend token. So the token holders would get dividend on a regular interval basis, and spec-U token is the utility token, which is mainly being used for the trading. And both the token has its own advantages and disadvantages, which is again clearly mentioned and described in one of the other document, token types. So if you go into Spectra document, you would have the token types, and you will have the forecast model also, which we will go more into detail very soon. So token types, yeah, so these are the advantages of the D token. You would get certain types of a dividend. Disadvantages: low liquidity means it will be listed initially on the small exchanges like Ether Delta and HIBTC, but that should not be too big of a concern, because most of the people interested in D token would be the long-term holders who would be interested more in the dividend earning rather than um, liquidating it on a short-term basis. However, it's not something that you cannot liquidate it. It's Ether Delta and HIBTC also provide the decent liquidity. So in case if somebody wants to buy or sell this equipment, it's something that is not impossible. You can still do it on Ether Delta and uh, small exchanges. I don't know the name, guys, exactly which exchanges, but yes, there will be small exchanges where it will be listed. U token is the utility token. It has its own advantages and disadvantages. So list of the advantages, which uh, which actually is like 1 to 5% of a higher trade payout on smart options contract. All trade expires on a smart contract, expiries on smart option contracts. Token buyback, they are eligible for the token buyback, which is in terms going to increase the price of the token. And yes, of course, it would have much more liquidity because the plan is to list them on the bigger exchanges. Yeah, but on the other side, the disadvantage is there is no dividend or a yield protection for these tokens. So it's basically really you have to choose what's your cup of tea. आप लोग किस में ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड हैं? अगर पैसिव इनकम जनरेशन इज़ द इंटेंशन, तो डी टोकन इज़ फॉर यू. अगर ट्रेडिंग में टोकन्स, इफ़ यू आर मोर ऑफ एक्टिव ट्रेडर्स, या इफ़ यू आर मोर इंटरेस्टेड कि प्राइस अप्रिशिएशन एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू डू अ शॉर्ट टर्म सेल लिस्टिंग के बाद, इफ़ यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग अ वेरी क्विक प्राइस अप्रिसिएशन, इफ़ यू वांट टू लिक्विडेट इट, तो आप यू टोकन के लिए भी जा सकते हैं. Coming back to token and proceed allocation, guys. So price 1 ether equal to 2000 spec D and spec U. What it means is that if you are investing 1 ether, right, you would, if you want, and you want a dividend token, then you will get 2000 dividend token. Or if you are interested in utility token, you can opt for the utility token as well. So when you are participating in the public sale, you will be given a generic token, and after a certain time, there will be an option that to convert it into either D or U, right? So uh, uske liye, you would have a time to think about it. आप सोचिए. And if you are more interested in dividend earning on a regular basis, go for D token, otherwise U token, as I mentioned. Main cap and hard cap. Hard cap is 13 million, which is good. So 13 million, in my personal point of view, is quite of a decent hard cap we're talking about. What else? Let's go into the forecast model. This is interesting, guys. So इस sheet में per token basis पे how much the token holder is expected to earn the dividend. This is what is explained and forecasted. तो इसमें तीन different scenarios लिए हैं, balance, bullish and bearish. बैलेंस से यार सिनारियो में assumption ये है कि ICO में the contribution would be 10 million. This is what the assumption है, और उसके बेस पे 20% would be used in the liquidity fund initially, yeah. So which will be 2 million as an initial liquidity pool. और बाकी भी काफ़ी सारे क्राइटेरियाज कंसिडर किए, नंबर ऑफ ट्रेडर एटसेट्रा, विच इज़ ऑन अ कंजर्वेटिव बेसिस. इसके बेस पे हाउ मच द dividend per token is what is calculated, and I will show you guys ki after tax what is the forecasted dividend is. So अगर आप इसको scroll down करेंगे, this is what will show you on row 91 कि 2018 onwards. uh, 2018 end of Q1 is something when they are expecting to start distributing the dividend. So 3 cents per token is 2018. If I will look on the 2020, guys, 10 cents per token, which is really a great dividend. Uh, so let's assume a scenario. Someone is having 20,000 tokens, means 20 ether contribution. If I am calculating it correctly, 10 ether. Sorry, 10 ether contribution. 20,000 ether means $2,000 per annum is a decent dividend, guys. It's really a very good dividend just to start with. If you will see here, and again, as per the team, these are conservative numbers. Yeah, so they more, as per them, they believe more on commit less and deliver more kind of a strategy. So I would not be surprised this number would, actual numbers would be much more than this. But let's for the argument's sake, let's say it's 10 cent at the moment right now. By 2026, guys, it's going to be 30 cents. This is what their forecasting model says. So I would actually go and with the number 10 cents in the 2020. I mean, this is what I have considered before taking the decision, before deciding that I would be investing into this, and then I have considered, and then I calculated how much dividend it the dividend that I would be getting from this token. Is it something which is uh, is it fitting on my overall personal plan? 22. I personally think $2,000 per annum is really a great regular passive income. There are not many tokens at the moment which is offering this uh, kind of opportunity. So have a look on that. Uh, yeah, guys, that's about the forecasting model. Uh, okay, guys, the Spectre.Ai public sale is starting from 17th of November, uh, 4 days from now. So if you guys are interested, आपने personal research के बाद if you guys decide to invest into it, my request would be to use the following promo code AMITN99 Amit99 while applying or while investing into this ICO. That would be really great. So that's it from my side. Enjoy your day. All the very best. As I said earlier, do your own research and then decide. Peace. Thank you.